Hi everyone, in this video you'll learn what are HTML Canvas and SVG elements and their differences. The Canvas element in HTML is utilized to dynamically draw graphics using JavaScript. It acts as a container for graphics, requiring JavaScript to execute the actual drawing. Canvas offers numerous methods for drawing paths, shapes, text, and incorporating images. This feature is universally supported by all major web browsers. Canvas examples. A canvas element is a rectangular area on an HTML page, as defined by this code. By default, a canvas has no border and no content. Always include an ID attribute for scripting, and width and height attribute to set the canvas size. To add a border, use the style attribute, as you can see in this code. And you can see the preview here. JavaScript usage. Once you've created the rectangular canvas area, you'll need to add JavaScript to handle the drawing operations. As you can see in this code, we are drawing a line starting from these coordinates, which represent this corner, and ending on these coordinates, which represent this corner. And you can see the line preview here. To add text to a canvas element, you can use this code. Here we are specifying the font size and family. And here we are specifying the text and the starting coordinates. And you can see the preview here. To create a linear gradient in a canvas using JavaScript, you can use this code. Here we are defining the starting color. Here we are defining the ending color. Here we are defining the fill style. And then we are using this code to fill the canvas with gradient color. As you can see this preview. To add an image to a canvas element using JavaScript, you can use this code. As you can see here, we have placed this JavaScript function on the Draw button's click event. And this function will load the image having the ID image in this canvas when the Draw button is clicked. As you can see in this preview. HTML SVG element. SVG, or Scalable Vector Graphics, defines vector-based graphics using XML, allowing them to be seamlessly embedded in HTML pages. Every element and attribute in SVG files is animatable. SVG is a W3C recommendation and it seamlessly integrates with other standards like CSS, DOM, XSL, and JavaScript. The SVG element in HTML serves as a container for SVG graphics. SVG offers various methods for drawing shapes like paths, rectangles, circles, polygons, text, etc. SVG examples. To create a circle using SVG, you can use the circle element. As you can see in this code, this will create a blue circle. As you can see in this preview. To create a rectangle using SVG, you can use the rect element. As you can see in this code, this will create a blue rectangle. As you can see in this preview. Here we are also creating a rectangular shape using SVG. As you can see in this code, this will create a red rectangular shape. As you can see in this preview. To create a polygon star using SVG, you can use the polygon element. As you can see in this code, this will create a polygon star. As you can see in this preview. Difference between SVG and Canvas. SVG is a language for defining 2D graphics in XML, while Canvas is used for drawing 2D graphics in real time using JavaScript. SVG being XML-based, every element is accessible within the SVG DOM, allowing for JavaScript event handlers to be attached to SVG graphics. Each shape drawn in SVG is treated as an object. If attributes of an SVG object are altered, the browser can automatically update and re-render the shape. On the other hand, Canvas renders graphics pixel by pixel. Once a graphic is drawn in Canvas, it is not retained by the browser. Changing its position requires redrawing the entire scene, including any covered objects. SVG is resolution independent. while Canvas is resolution dependent. SVG support for event handlers, while Canvas has no support for event handlers. SVG has good text rendering capabilities, while Canvas has poor text rendering capabilities. SVG has slow rendering if complex, while Canvas has faster rendering. SVG is not suited for game applications, while Canvas works well for game applications. This was all about the HTML Canvas and SVG elements and their differences. Please check the video description for more information. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.